Hello, my name is Srdjan Djordjevic and I'm working for Cadence out of the Munich office. So today I will show you our brand new tool which is called Clarity Transient Solver. So why is the Transient Solver very important compared to our Clarity Finite Element Solver? Because our Transient Solver is there as a global type of the solver which is used for very big geometries. I will show you today example where I have a PCB inside of the chassis, and if I would like to mesh this everything with a fine element solver, this could be a problem with the resources of the computational power. Here I need to see the problematic about the leakage of the energy from the PCB through the mechanical holes, and I would also like to optimize the design of these mechanical holes. So what I'm basically doing, I'm forming a noise source inside of the chassis, which is sitting at the PCB level. And what I'm also doing, I'm putting basically the planes which will capture near field, and then I can inspect them and look at the fields which are leaking out of the chassis and trying to find the real pattern and to optimize these mechanical holes. So what I can show here also, I can pick up the appropriate mesh in order to really address these mechanical holes. You can see here that I can work with very fine mesh, which is 0.04 millimeter, or I can relax mesh with a 0.4 millimeter. So for finer mesh usage, I definitely need more memory and computational power, and the GPU introduction is essential, and this GPU introduction is very well supported in our transient Clarity tool. So in this example that I showed here, in these results, what you see here, I'm using 2 millimeter mesh. It's a first order of the mesh, but it's 20 minutes of the simulation on my laptop, and I'm definitely seeing immediately, including complete PCB, mechanic of the PCB, including complete mechanic of the chassis. I can see critical positions on the chassis with the leakage field. I can measure this near field here and also look at the directivity over there. So that means you can use it as a very powerful first order assessment tool. So let's say with not really fine mesh, and then if you want to use fine mesh and more accurate response, then you will need to introduce a GPU as I showed here. So very easy to use, very easy to set up the simulation, and really very good solution for big geometries like PCB plus chassis optimization. If you're interested for more information, please contact us and look for the more information on www.cadence.com. Thank you.